Picture this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and open your laptop. But instead of a mountain of tasks waiting for you, you see a report. Your AI agents have been hard at work all night, handling customer inquiries, optimizing your ad campaigns, and even drafting your next blog post. Sound like science fiction? Well, it's not. It's the future of business, and it's happening right now. Hi, I'm Biggie Fraley, and I'm about to show you how AI agents are revolutionizing the way we do business. Are you ready to discover how these digital dynamos can transform your company, boost your productivity, and skyrocket your growth? Well, then stick around because we're diving deep into the world of AI agents and how they are shaping the future of entrepreneurship. Let's face it, the AI revolution isn't just coming, it's here. It's not just about chatbots and predictive analytics anymore. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how businesses operate, and it's all thanks to the rise of AI agents. Gone are the days of rigid one-trick pony AI models. Today's AI agents are flexible problem solvers, capable of tackling complex tasks with human-like reasoning. Imagine having a personal AI army at your disposal. Each member specializes in different aspects of your business, from marketing to customer service, from data analysis to content creation. These digital employees work tirelessly, 24/7, to help your business thrive. But here's where it gets really exciting. We're not just talking about individual AI models anymore. We are entering the era of compound AI systems. These are like the Avengers of the AI world. Different models and tools working together, combining their strengths to solve problems in ways that were previously unimaginable. So, what exactly are these AI agents I keep raving about? Well, they're the next step in the evolution of AI systems. Traditional AI models were like highly specialized tools, great at one specific task, but limited in their scope. AI agents, on the other hand, are more like Swiss Army knives. They can reason, act, and even access memory to tackle a wide range of complex problems. The real magic happens when we combine these agents into multi-agent workflows. This is where we integrate language models, databases, and other external tools to create a powerhouse of problem-solving capabilities. And it's like giving your AI team a shared brain, allowing them to collaborate and tackle challenges from multiple angles. Now, why should you, as a small business owner or online entrepreneur, care about this? Because these AI agents are about to become your new business partners. They can handle tasks that would typically require a team of human employees, but at a fraction of the cost and time. Let's look at some real-world applications. A customer service agent that can triage emails, respond to common queries, and only escalate the most complex issues to human staff. A content creation agent that can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts tailored to your brand voice. A data analysis agent that can crunch numbers, spot trends, and provide actionable insights to guide your business decisions. Or a marketing agent that can optimize your ad campaigns, personalize customer communication, and even predict future trends in your industry. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty, how these AI agents can transform your business operations and set you apart from the competition. First off, say goodbye to tedious, time-consuming tasks. Your AI agents can streamline operations, handling everything from scheduling the inventory management. This means you and your human team can focus on what really matters: strategy, creativity, and building relationships with your customers. Speaking of customers, imagine being able to provide personalized experiences at scale. Your AI agents can analyze customer data, predict preferences, and tailor communications to each individual. It's like having a personal shopper for every single one of your customers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Biggie, this sounds great, but I'm running a small business. I can't afford this kind of technology. Well, here's the best part. AI agents are becoming increasingly accessible and cost-effective. You don't need a Silicon Valley budget to implement these solutions. In fact, they can help level the playing field, allowing you to compete with bigger players in your industry. By embracing AI agents now, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're actually staying ahead of the curve. While your competitors are still figuring out basic automation, you'll be leveraging advanced AI to make smarter decisions, deliver better products, and provide unparalleled customer service. Let's not forget about the power of data. Your AI agents can transform raw data into actionable insights. They can spot patterns, predict trends, and even suggest innovative strategies you might not never have considered. It's like having a crystal ball for your business, right? Powered by cutting-edge technology. All right, I know by now you're excited about the potential of AI agents. So what's the next step? How can you start harnessing this power for your business? Well, first things first, hit that subscribe button. I'll be releasing a series of videos diving deeper into AI agent development and business automation. You won't want to miss out on these exclusive insights that could take your business to the next level and beyond. And speaking of missing out, you also want to get on the notification list for the launch of the AI Automation Alliance, which you can do by visiting AAAportal.com. That is AAAportal.com. So remember, the future of business is AI powered, and the future is right now. Don't get left behind. Embrace the AI revolution and watch as your business soars to new heights. Until next time, this is Biggie Fraley signing off.